Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're looking at one of the ALEKS topics with the longest names I've ever seen. Solving a linear equation with several occurrences of the variable, specifically fractional forms with monomial numerators. So, not near as complicated as that title makes it sound, to be honest. So first things first, let's break down what it means. So we have a linear equation, so there's no squares or cubes or any exponents or things going on like that. And there's several occurrences of the variable, meaning there's a u over here and a u on the other side. So there's more than one u. Fractional forms, obviously we see fractions, with monomial numerators. That just means there is a monomial on the top of our fraction. So there's not 5u plus 4 or something like that. It's just 5u. There's nothing added or subtracted on there. Alrighty, so now that we got that down, what do we do with it? Well, the first thing we do is get rid of the fractions. So I need to find the common denominator among all the terms in my equation. So looking here, I have a denominator of 4. This is an integer, so there is no denominator, so I don't have to worry about that. And here I have a denominator of 6. So any common denominator will work. I'm going to go with my least common denominator just to try and keep my numbers small, which would be 12. So I need to multiply everything, not just the fractions, by 12. I'm going to multiply both sides by 12. Okay, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 12. Now on this left side, I have more than one term there, so I need to distribute that 12 when I multiply to both of them. So if I do that, I'm going to end up with 12 times 5u, because these are 12 over 1s. If you'd like to put that in to help keep yourself organized, you can do that. So I'm going to end up with 60u over 4, because it's 1 times 4, so that 4 is not going to change. And then minus 12 times 3 is 36. And then on this side, 7u times 12, which is going to end up being 84u. And then once again, the 6 is not going to change because it's just times that 1 under the 12. All right, now you might be saying, the fractions aren't gone. I know. We need to clean up those fractions a little bit here, and they should reduce now if we did this correctly. So what is 60 divided by 4? We get 15, so this is 15u minus 36. So that one's now gone. What about this? What's 84 divided by 6? Well, however you work that one out, you end up with 14, so it's 14u. So we do end up with no fractions, and then we can solve it like normal. So I need to get all my u's to one side so I can solve for it. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 14u from both sides so I can keep them positive. And I end up with 15 minus 14, excuse me, u minus 36. And then on this side I get a 0. And I want to get that u by itself, so plus 36 plus 36. I end up with u equals positive 36. So first things, get rid of your fractions. After that, it works just like all the other ones you've been doing. Good luck.